I got your 455 Pontiac on the dyno for your 69 GTO. We're going to fire it up and give you a final pull. We're only pulling the 5200. I don't like running them big block Pontiacs up too high, but it's nice. It runs very well. And you got beautiful oil pressure. Everything looks good. Good morning, everybody. Here's happened to be the 455 Pontiac that I custom painted about a week or two ago. We ran this with a Holley fuel injection on it. Love it. It's got a nice pulley system on it. No air conditioning on this one. The power steering will go back on. We did run a belt on it. There's no water leaks. There's no oil leaks. The paint job is fantastic. The numbers have made 463 horsepower on a 450 build at 4,800. I mean, that's fantastic. And the torque was 500 right off idle. Made 530 foot-pounds, so we got 4,300. This guy's gonna have that in this 69 Pontiac GTO. Gonna be a killer. And it looks gorgeous. Hey, here at Proformance Unlimited, we always exceed what we're looking for. Hey, check me out. I'll build anything you want. Peace.